Stop. Don't do that.
The 14th of August, 2025, Orlando International Airport, Florida. A 46-year-old Greek national was arrested at Southwest Airlines gate.
Excellent footage of him for kicking him and punching him.
There you go.
Cool. Can I see that?
I also have it right here too.
Yeah. Ooh, that's assault.
3 weeks. 3 weeks for my money, right? 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 3 weeks. 2 flights wasted. 2 flights wasted. 2 flights. 3 planes. After 45 minutes.
Is it a joke?
Call the police.
You want to press charges?
Well, you got 2 views of it, so. Do you
You know how to work Axon?
Yeah. I just talked to my station manager, Raphael, and yes.
Okay, you're going to write a statement for me? Yeah. Okay, and apparently she broke a...
Right over here. The monitor's ripped out of the wall.
Okay.
And then she hit me on the wrist with her phone and kicked me.
Okay. How much is this going to cost?
I have no idea.
Estimate?
Each monitor is probably $500. So I would say $1,000. People too, so that's probably $200.
Cool. Yeah. Hooker. Manager wants to press charges. Who's primary on this?
I want to press charge.
Okay, we'll settle that out. What happened? You want?
I want to press charge too.
Okay, we'll get you to write a statement.
Stop
Okay.
moving.
Stop moving. Just stay still.
Why am
Stop. Don't do that.
Because you broke that
Don't do that. Don't do that.
and they broke my heart. And
Okay.
they broke my flight.
It's not a crime.
It's not a crime, then?
Okay.
No, that is not a crime, right?
Small there it is.
That is
Yeah.
not a crime. To mess up with people's lives,
Yeah,
that
okay.
is not a crime.
All right, no problem.
That is not a crime.
You got ID? Stop moving. Stop moving.
Just release me.
Stop moving.
I will not stop moving.
Okay, I need you to stop
I
moving.
have my,
All right,
I have
come
my
on.
medication.
Let's go. Let's go.
Wow.
Walk with me.
Yeah.
Come on.
I hope you do that.
No, I just don't want you moving.
No, I just want that you do that
I want you to
your
move.
family members when they die. When they are dying. I have a good liar.
Come on.
Don't worry.
Come on. Don't stop walking.
Okay. So what is the pace that I need to walk?
Right here. Stop for 1 second. Stop.
Okay.
Stop moving around.
Okay,
I'm walking
but
around
what
with
do you want me to
I
do?
want you to stand still. Yeah, I got a car down there. I'm just trying to remember where I'm going. There it is. I'm right down there. We can get the
I
paperwork
hope
down
you
there.
are proud.
I'm not proud.
Yeah, you are really proud.
I'm not proud at all.
If
Stop squirming your arms.
Yeah, but
Stop
why you
squirming.
are squeezing me?
Stop
You
squirming your
are
arms. Just
squeezing.
keep
You
on
are
walking.
hurting me.
Come on.
But you are hurting me. You are hurting me. I am not resisting.
Yes, you are.
How am I resisting? You have me bent over.
Because you're squirming your arms and you're trying to get out of these handcuffs.
Okay, my lawyer is gonna see all the bruises.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Is there an elevator over here
You know, all the bruises.
You got an elevator?
All the bruises.
to get downstairs?
All the bruises.
Hold it.
I got her. Is there an elevator down here? All right. Come on, walk. Walk.
Oye, pero ya déjale. No me tienes que apretar, hermano. ¿Sabes cuál es el problema? Yo puedo caminar. Déjame caminar bien. Let me walk. Why you are still doing force on
Pushing
me?
up against back.
I am not resisting.
Okay.
I am not resisting.
All the
I'm
way
just
to the
trying to
back.
tell you that it's hurt.
All the way to
See
the
my
back.
hands already. I'm hurt. Yeah. I hope that you
Stop.
that you're gonna take pictures of the bruises that you are creating on me. Because in any moment I'm be resisting. And I'm doing anything wrong. Just waiting.
Yo.
So I'll come get him.
Yeah. How do we get out of here?
Like the door to remain closed. The stepping in. Open it.
Stop pulling me.
Can you stop?
You stop
You
pulling
are
me.
pulling me.
Let's go.
You are pulling me. Abuser. You are an abuser. All of you are an abuser. Just abusers.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Oh,
You understand? Stop pulling me. You're done pulling me. You understand me?
you are.
Walk
angry.
slowly. You pull me again, you're going to the ground.
Yeah, I know that what you want that I used to.
Against the car. Against the car. Walk to the car. Spread your feet. All good. It's not hard. You start pulling me around, we're gonna have problems. One second. One second. Get in. Scoot over. Right there. You got any information on her?
That's our mind. Our mind's got everything.
Salomit. All right. The airport. Are you listening to me? They're trespassing you from this airport. You cannot come back here for 1 year. Okay? If you come back, you are subject to arrest. You understand?
How am I gonna get to Puerto Rico to bury my brother?
You would have to take another airport.
One airport.
Miami, Tampa, Jacksonville.
How am I gonna get there?
I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. You have to figure it out. But if you come back here, you will be arrested if they want to press charges. Okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Incident, property destruction, and battery on airport staff. 3 criminal charges filed under Florida law. Under Florida Statute Section 806.13, criminal mischief exceeding $1,000 is a third-degree felony. 2 boarding monitors destroyed at approximately $1,500 each, plus a keyboard totaling approximately $3,200 in damage. Under Florida Statute Section 784.03, battery is defined as the intentional and unwanted touching or striking of another person. Under Florida Statute Section 843.02, resisting an officer without violence is a first-degree misdemeanor. Non-compliance with lawful commands during a valid arrest constitutes opposition to an officer in the execution of legal duty. Under Illinois v. Gates 462 U.S. 2 131983, probable cause is assessed under a totality of circumstances standard. 3 independent pillars: established probable cause, voluntary on-camera confession, surveillance footage, and victim testimony. Under Berkemer v. McCarty 468 U.S. 4201984, Miranda warnings are not required during non-custodial pre-arrest questioning. The subject voluntarily admitted on camera to striking the monitors with her phone. This statement is fully admissible without Miranda advisement. Failure to invoke the Fifth Amendment right to remain silent resulted in a self-incriminating confession that substantially aided prosecution. Under Graham v. Connor 489 U.S. 38619 use of force is evaluated from the officer's perspective at the moment of decision, not in hindsight. The 3-factor test: severity of the crime, immediacy of threat, and degree of active resistance. Prior combative behavior and continued movement in restraints supported the escort hold as falling within acceptable force parameters. The subject disclosed medication use on 2 separate occasions. Under care for custody standards, repeated pain complaints from a detainee require a medical assessment regardless of resistance level. Under United States v. Robinson 414 U.S. 2181973, a search incident to a lawful custodial arrest is constitutionally authorized without additional justification. Charges filed: battery, Florida Statute, Section 784.03, criminal mischief over $1,000, Florida Statute, Section 806.13, resisting without violence, Florida Statute, Section 843.02. 1-year trespass ban issued from Orlando International Airport under Florida Airport Authority regulations. Officers grade B-. Arrest legally sound. Deduction for failure to address repeated pain complaints and medication disclosures during transport. Subject grade C+. Criminal conduct is not mitigated by emotional circumstances. Voluntary confession, significantly simplified prosecution. Legal lesson: pre-arrest statements made without custodial pressure are admissible without Miranda. The right to remain silent under the Fifth Amendment must be actively invoked to be effective. Legal lesson: care for custody obligations require documented medical response when a detainee discloses medication use and makes repeated pain complaints regardless of prior conduct or resistance level. Legal lesson: probable cause is conclusively established when independent corroboration exists from a confession, physical evidence, and victim testimony simultaneously.